Hi guys, this is a little video to show you how the answer to the quiz, which I already have up here, finding the roots graphically and algebraically of 2x plus 2 squared minus 4. And so you can see that, right? Come on, give me a pen. Right up here, 2. And it's being a little bit extra for a second. 2 plus 2 squared minus 4. Okay, so now we're going to start by figuring out that x plus 2 equals 0 makes x equal to minus 2. So that's h. That's the x position of the vertex. And minus 4 here is the y position of the vertex. So I'm going to go to minus 2 minus 4 and put a nice thick dot there. Nice thick red dot at minus 2 minus 4 right there. And you're going to see, so that tells me where the vertex is. Now I know it's a 2x squared, which means I go over 1, that is, and 2 times 1 squared is 2. So my change in y is going to be 2. So I go over 1, up 2. 2 times 2 squared, remember PEMDAS, 2 times 2 squared is 8. So from here, from the vertex again, from minus 4, I go over 2 to plus 4. Right? Because up 8 from minus 4 is plus 4. 2 times 3 squared is 18, which is going to go, okay, so 2 times 3 squared is 18, and that's going to take me up to 14, which will be up here and here. And now I'm going to draw that little extra stuff, a quadratic through, come on, be good. This. There. Let's see, that's not so neat. Let's make a nicer quadratic. So there. Be a little more careful. That's nicer. Okay. So, what this guy seems to be hitting, this is 2 points about minus, give me back my pen, minus 3, really wants to take my pen away here, minus 3.5, and also minus 3.5 and minus 0.5. That time it doesn't want. And so that seems to be where the thing is meeting right now. Minus 3.5 and minus 0.5. So now let's attack this same problem algebraically. I'm going to change colors here to red. Also, make everything color-coded. So, I'm going to solve 2x plus 2 squared minus 4 equals 0. So the first thing I'm going to do, algebraically, is add 4 to both sides. Oh, come on, maintain the color. Keep the color going. So I'm going to say plus, oops, why are we going there? Here, plus, we can live with that. Plus 4 to both sides. And that's going to give me this guy. Two times plus 2 times x plus 2 squared equals 4. Now, I can't square root yet. I can only square root when the parentheses are all by themselves. What I can do to both sides is divide, that's another law of PEMDAS, divide both sides by 2. And that's going to give me x plus 2 squared equals 2. Now I can square root both sides. It lets me. I can take the square root of both sides, and that's going to give me, once I'm done, x plus 2 equals plus or minus the square root of 2. And now I'm going to finally fix that up by subtracting 2 from both sides. And so it's going to give me x equals minus 2 plus or minus the square root of 2. Now to check against the algebra, let's see what happens when I do minus 2 plus the square root of 2 in my calculator, and I get about minus 0.5. A little off, but pretty close. And I do minus 2 minus the square root of 2, and that's going to give me minus 3.5 approximately. I'm off by 0.1, but I'm not that accurate. So that's the answer. Algebraically, that's here, and graphically, that's here, to the quiz. So, how many of you got this right?